Hi folks, and welcome to today's video, getting up off the floor with a herniated disc. Now, I create a lot of great content for those suffering out there with herniated discs, bulging discs, sciatica nerve pain, etc. Pre, post, lower back surgery. So if you're enjoying that kind of content, hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload something new, which will help you on the road to recovery. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So folks, today's video, I'm showing you how to get up off the floor if you're suffering from a herniated bulging disc. Now, as an added bonus, I'm actually going to show you how to get onto the floor safely, okay? You may be undergoing physiotherapy or rehabilitation, you've got some work to do at home, they're giving you homework to do, or I hope they have, all right? And you'll need to get on and off the floor to do certain exercises. It is really important to understand how to get down on the floor and off the floor if you are a herniated disc sufferer, so you don't make the problem any worse. It's also useful if you're a little bit older in years, okay, not quite as strong as you used to be, and you find yourself on the floor and you can't get up. How is the best way to get yourself up off that floor? All right, so we're gonna go over that today. Now, this again is part of my spine hygiene series about, behavioral changes, how you move, how you position your spine, how correctly you want to be in position to lift certain objects, and all plays a part in total spine hygiene, which will bring you the results you're looking for when you're trying to rehabilitate your spinal injury. If you are struggling to get back on your feet from spinal injuries, your herniated disc, bulging disc, sciatica nerve pain, go and check out my course. It's a 21-day video course brought to you every single day via email, which is designed to teach you how to move better, how to reduce your pain and get you back on the track to recovery. It's going to pop up there in just a second. You can go to www.bashbackpain.com/course. Go and check it out in your own time. All right, so today's video, getting on the floor, getting up off the floor. How do we go about it? All right, so I'm going to do this, what we call freestanding, no support, okay? Yes, there's a wall here beside me. I'm not going to use the wall for this. I want to use just purely my own body and how to position it. So if I want to get onto the floor, here's what I want to do. I can use a mat or a pillow. I can just throw it on the ground to give me some support if it's a hard floor that I'm going onto. But you want to take a small step back. Yeah. Then position yourself, your feet are split. And we're going to do what's called a split squat. We're going to bend one knee, put it towards the ground, support my hands on the front leg. So, further back here. So I'm going to drop down, support my hands here to this position. And again, I've kept my body upright. Okay, so again, spine is straight. I'm not flexing forward. Then I'm going to place this leg behind me, still staying upright. Then I want to sit back a little bit on my heels, put my hands on my thighs to this position. Again, back is still straight. Slide my thighs carefully down to the ground. Then I can put my weight onto my hands. Now this is going to take some of the stress off the back, of course, because now my upper body weight is on my hands and arms. Now I'm going to walk out. I'm in this all fours position. So we're about halfway down. Now how do we get down? Okay, to the final step, we're going to be sliding out my right hand in front of me and my right leg behind me. Now, before we do that, I want you to engage the core, brace the core. Now, I did a previous video on bracing. If you've not checked it out, it'll be in the description down below. And you want to consciously contract my abs, do a little motion, contract your abdominals. And then we're going to be I'm going to do it very slow first. Sliding the right hand in front, at the same time sliding the right leg back. And I slide out, I go into my forearm of the right hand. And the final move, I slide the leg back, arm goes forward, onto my side. Okay, so here I am, I'm on my side now. And I've got some exercise to do on my back. How do I get to my back? Okay, we're lying here, spine is straight, we're in a quite good position. I want to engage that core again, and I want to push off this hand and let this leg go over to my left, and the weight will bring me over onto my back. So I'm going to push, let the weight roll over, and I'm on my back, okay? Now from here, if I need to adjust, I can push on my elbows, because I'm obviously very close to the wall here. Slide over. Maybe I was going to be doing some McGill crunches, perhaps. Maybe I was going to do some hip extensions for my glutes. Some of the work I could be doing down here for my rehabilitation. Or I may have actually got myself down here and can't get back up. Okay, I don't want to be jerking myself and putting stress on my back. So how do I get up off the floor? as I mentioned at the start of the video. All right, we're just simply going to reverse what we did to come down. Okay, so again, we'll put our legs out straight as if we're beginning the motion. So we're going to bring up the left knee here. We're going to reach the right hand out above our head. Now, we're going to be taking my left hand and we're going to be driving it over to the right and letting the left knee fall over to the right. Now, before we do that, we again want to engage the core. So you get that small breathing out hard breath, okay? To engage the abdominals, keep them tight. Now, I'll do it with you again slowly, take your time. So we're going to take the arm and the knee and we're going to push it over to our right hand side. And we can push a little bit on our right elbow to get it started as well. So 1, 2, 3, we push, roll, brace, and here we are again. Now from this position, we want to be going up, pushing with the left hand, pushing off our right elbow. And we're bringing ourselves up into kind of a half sitting position. So we're here. Now we're going to be pushing left hand, push, right elbow, push, drag in my forearm again here. And then I'm going to push hard with that elbow and swing my hips around, push to here. Okay? Then I can bring the leg up, bring the hand back. And once again, I'm in this all fours position. Stress is off my back, weight is supported on my hands. Now, how do we get up from here? Okay, if it was near a wall, if there was a chair close to me, I could use that to help. But we're doing this purely unsupported. So watch carefully. From here, I'm going to walk my hands back towards my thighs, onto my thighs. Now again, supporting my thighs, keeping the stress off the back. I push, I come up, give a flat back. So I'm here. Then I want to bring one knee forward, choose a knee. Then we're going to use both hands on this knee to push and drive ourselves up. Again, try not to flex forward. Push on this knee, bring the leg forward, push up, and we're back to the start. So, very controlled, getting onto the floor, getting off the floor safely, minimizing lower back spinal flexion, protecting that area if you are suffering from a herniated, bulging disc, suffering from sciatica pain, etc. Listen, guys, if you're out there struggling with lower back pain issues, hit me up in the comment section, ask me some questions, ping me an email, it's in the description as well. Please like and share the video, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Have a great day.